We now have our scrapbook pages made, and now we need to figure out how we're going to present them so they'd be appropriate for storing, for other people looking at them, putting in the mail, whichever you want to do. Now here's our pages, and of course we've got to fill them with pictures. Magic of camera. Here's the set with the pictures in it. Now I like to put mine in page protectors, which are plastic. They already have your holes punched, and you can find these in a variety of sizes. Now again, we have them two-sided. Just slide them in through the top and they're ready to go. Now they're protected. Now what do we want to do? Well, we have several options. Okay, the best way is through a hardback photo album. And again, I'm going to show you a few more pages done in the same manner that we did ours today. This one happens to be hearts. We did a little embossing. We did a little accent by taking extra accent colors and doing a little rick-rack with some decorative scissors. Again, we're cutting our photos, doing journaling. And then we even changed colors, changed focals. These happen to be reunion pictures. And just to let you know, my daughters did all these pages, and they were only 7, 8 years old when they were stamping these and helping their grandma do all of this work. Another way of presenting these is, the cheapest way is you don't put a cover on them, but you let your first page be like your cover sheet and you tie them with ribbon. Here we did 2 ribbons. Here's our cover page. We did it with 1 ribbon. Here we did with 1 ribbon. And here's one where we have made a cover out of paper. And it mimics the photo albums, but we're using ribbon and paper. And I am going to now demonstrate how to make your own cover the cheap way.